Hi everyone, this is Mogul and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys a delicious rice. So here I have a tomato, onion and oil. I'm going to go ahead and add garlic. I let this cook for couple minutes and then I will add the rest. I have 1 bay leaf, cinnamon stick, black cardamom, cumin seed, salt, add the potato and the Brussels sprouts, and this is the rice. It has been cooked for 5 minutes, so I wash the rice. Rice is in a rice cooker. Add this vegetables on it. Add some hot water. Stir it very well. Looks really good. So I have the potato, Brussels sprouts and rice. White rice, the power is on, so when it's done, here we go. It's very delicious. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead plate. Alright, so here we go. It's really delicious. This is gonna be for lunch today. So I hope you guys like what I cooked today. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Share it with your family and friends. So I will see you guys soon in another video. Thanks for watching.